Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Terminal or Command Prompt and run Python version or Py version. This tells you if Python is present. If not installed, download the official installer and be sure to select Add to Path during setup. Once done, decide whether you'll use the system interpreter or create a virtual environment for projects. Virtual Env isolates dependencies and prevents conflicts, so prefer it for new work. Now continue by launching Python and configuring your environment. If you want the interactive shell, type Python or Py in terminal. Alternatively, open idle or your code editor like VS Code and set the Python interpreter. To isolate a project, run Python mvenv then activate it. venv \scripts \activate on Windows or sourcevenv/bin/activate on Mac OS/Linux. Make sure pip installs go into that environment, so finish by running scripts and resolving common issues. To run code, navigate to the file folder and run Python script. Py or press run in your editor. Save files with a Py extension. If Python isn't recognized, make sure the installer added Python to path or that your editor points to the correct interpreter. If packages error, confirm the virtual environment is activated. One key troubleshooting tip: read the traceback carefully. It usually shows the file, line, and exact problem to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.